Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how I paint my nails. I'm going with shades of red and pink and glitters. While doing this, I also thought I'll test the hacks which I have seen for a while. In the first hack, we'll put Vaseline around our nails on the flesh so that when the polish goes outside, it's easy to remove and we needn't use any nail polish remover. So let's see how this works. I noticed that as the ends of the nails also have Vaseline on it, it was even difficult to paint there. But yeah, if it goes outside, then it's easy to remove it. We'll move on to the next hack. In this hack, they are trying to make roses with nail paint and toothpick. So I tried doing the same way as they did, but I don't like it, so I'll give a thumbs down. We'll move on to the next hack. In this hack, they are using cello tape to make patterns on the nails. I'm making a V-shape pattern. I have a doubt if this will remove the nail paint as we take it off. Before applying the tape, I let my nails dry for a complete 1 hour. So as you can see, the paints came off totally and I am disappointed. I also tried once again by removing the stickiness of the tape, but it didn't work. So finally I decided to do my own nail art without using all these hacks. Let's start by painting our nails. First, give a thin coat of the nail paint, and even if it does not produce a fully covered nail, it's okay. We'll correct it in the second coat. Do not go over it again. And one more thing to keep in mind is when taking the paints, brush off the paint on one side. Now I'm moving on to the second coat. In this coat, try to correct all the leftover spaces from first coat. And also this angle was shot using the DIY stand that I made. As you can see, the finish is pretty good. Next, we'll make gradients using glitter. First, I'm taking glitters and picking off the glitter particles alone with the toothpick and placing it on my nails. As I move up, I'm placing only a few. So first, I've collected all the glitter particles on the bottom of my nails, and with a toothpick, I'm lifting it up. Next, I'm planning to make the V shape which I had earlier planned with the cello tape. I'm just going a single coat, first marking the shape and then painting it inside. See that the brush coat is unidirectional. Now with the same pink color, I'll make a smaller V. Use the edge of the brush to get a thin outline of the V shape. As you can see, it came off pretty good. Now let's move on to the next nail. So for this, I'm partitioning into two, drawing like a puzzle. For the next nail, I have planned to do a French tip. I know it will not look so great with my small nails, but with longer nails, it will be great. So we'll first draw by drawing a V shape outwards. You can also draw a small outline and pull the color downwards. Next we'll draw a small heart. Again try drawing using only the tip of the brush. It needn't be symmetric at all. The more it is asymmetric, it will look better. If you see the nails after 1 week, it tends to wear off only on the edges. In order to avoid this, you can protect it by applying paint on the edges of the nail just like this. Hope you enjoyed watching.